Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Box, manage business cloud storage step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Type box.com into the address bar and press enter. Wait for the Box homepage to fully load. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right of the page. Click the login button to open the sign in page. In the email field, enter the email address you use for your Box account. Double-check your email for typos to avoid login errors. In the password field, type your Box account password. Make sure caps lock is off and your keyboard language is correct. If you are on a trusted device, you can choose the option to stay signed in if available. Click Login or Sign In to submit your credentials. If your company uses single sign-on, select the SSO option when prompted. Enter your company email again if the SSO screen requests it. You will be redirected to your organization's sign-in page. Type your work password on the company sign-in page and continue. If you are asked for two-factor authentication, choose your verification method. Enter the code from your authenticator app, SMS, or email exactly as shown. Approve the login request if you use a push notification method. After verification, wait to be redirected back to Box. Confirm you are logged in by checking that your name or profile icon appears. Click your profile icon to access account settings if needed. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password on the login page. Enter your email and follow the reset link sent to your inbox. Return to the login page and sign in again with your new password. If you manage multiple accounts, verify you are using the correct email domain. For extra security on shared devices, avoid saving passwords in the browser. When you finish your session, click your profile icon and select Logout. Close the browser tab to fully end your session, especially on public computers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.